Got the Pro right there. What's up, y'all? Gonna be my first time test riding 2-stroke Honda CFR 250. All right, what's the do's and don'ts? What's the do's and don'ts? Okay. Just kind of go easy. Yeah. Okay. Ah. Okay. So.
When you kick it, give it a little gas when you go down.
Okay. And kind of keep her alive, right? Okay. Okay. Holy moly! Yay! Whoa! Yeah, this is different. This is definitely different. Holy moly! Oh! Holy moly! Yes, sir. Well, I never rode anything like this before. I rode his 4-stroke before. Oh yeah, we could go anywhere with this. It kind of like feels like sticking to the ground a little bit. Holy moly! That just pulled me back. Yo, buddy! Yo, this is great. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah. I'll go to. Yeah. Holy. Out of the neutral. Holy moly. Yeah, this is a torpedo right here, man. Holy moly. Brother, holy. Crazy, bro. One more time, that's it. One more time, that's it. Yeah.
That way you don't slip in that.
Yeah. Right there, eh? Hold on. I didn't even have to go that hard. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't even have to go that hard. That's good, right? Oh yeah, easy. Yeah, this thing is powerful, guys. Like, you won't believe it. It's like a torpedo. It just wants to go. Holy moly. Holy moly. Crazy, dude. You hear me huffing and puffing, it's because this is no joke. And obviously I don't have the proper gear for this, but I'm like trying it, you know. Definitely crazy. I'd rather go this way. Shoot! Too much? Yeah. He says I gotta go less gears, but it's my first time, so let's see here. You be ripping it, boy. This is a private road, by the way, guys. It's crazy. I've been talking about supermodals, you guys know, on the channel, so I'm really like debating on what to do, which route to go. Do I go straight legal? Do I do dirt bike a little bit? You know, it's like, what's the best choice? He's coming back right now. He rips it, man. I mean, he's been riding for way longer, like dirt. Yo, he just popped it up. Let's go. Yeah, see, he's good. No, I'm good. No, that's it. Let's go. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, man. We're gonna bring you that dirt bike activity, man. Maybe I pick one of these up, go riding, show some stuff. We'll see, man. We'll see. Yo. There you go. Might have him come over here. I rode his KTM 250 two-stroke, I believe, last time. We're gonna ask him what it was, but man, it's crazy, man. Absolutely insane, man. Sheesh. Here he comes. My boy riding over there, boy. I'm gonna ask you a couple questions for the channel. How long you been riding dirt, bro? 5 years? Yeah. So after you were an adult, you started riding dirt?
Yeah, kind of more dirt bike.
Yeah. This is my buddy Justin, a real good friend. Okay. So basically, my boy has opened the doors right now to feeling what it's like, and I definitely like it.
Dirt bike.
Yeah, dirt bike life, man. I gotta do a little something, man. I've been telling him I want a supermoto, I want to build one, something. I gotta get something going. The street stuff's cool, but I gotta get something more skilled riding. So we'll check you guys out soon, man. Let's get it.